Hey guys, this is going to be a video review of the 2011 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG in black. The 2011 S63 AMG is a solid machine that is very powerful and responsive, boasting an impressive amount of torque and horsepower with a 5.5-liter twin-turbo direct-fuel injection V8 engine that's pushing out 536 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. No doubt, it will be a pleasurable ride just cruising down the road or speeding down the raceway. It will be an exciting, thrilling ride. Now, the model I have here today comes standard with many features, but the one I would like to mention the most is the attention assist, which takes note of over 70 parameters in the first minutes of a drive to get to know the driver's unique driving style. As the journey continues, it can detect certain steering corrections that suggest the onset of drowsiness. It then considers a wide array of other factors, from crosswind and road smoothness to how often you're interacting with the vehicle controls and switches. If it all adds up to the driver fatigue, attention assist sounds an alert encouraging you to stop for a rest. Here is a closer look at the adaptive HID headlamps with LED daytime running light as well as LED turn signal light. High-intensity retractable headlight washer and park assist are also built into the front bumper. And the specific S63 AMG chrome grille with Mercedes-Benz logo on it. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. And the AMG styling front bumper. On the hood, you see two air extractors, one on each side for air to pass through. At the same time, makes the S63 AMG looks really aggressive. This particular model comes with the 20-inch AMG twin 5-spoke light alloy wheels with 255/35 high-performance tire for the front and 275/35 for the rear. Behind the wheel is the set of 4-wheel ventilated brake discs with the huge brake caliper painted in silver with AMG lettering on it for better braking. V8 bi-turbo badge on the fender. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. On top is the panoramic sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide out for an open air feeling. Rear wheels is staggered in width, and the ventilated brake disc and brake caliper painted in silver with AMG lettering on it as well. It also features anti-lock braking system as well as brake assist. To the back, you see the pair of LED tail lights. Integrated into the tail light are the LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. AMG badge on the trunk lid. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that framed the quad chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode with AMG lettering on it as well. Park assists are also integrated to the rear bumper. And there's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. Okay, on the remote I have the panic, lock, unlock and trunk release buttons. Now the car does come equipped with smart access key system, so with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once locked. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as black, featuring a full black leather interior seat, black on the dash as well as the door panels, with well-wanted wood trims and aluminum trims all around. Looks very classy. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. let's pop the hood and see what the 2011 S63 AMG have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.5-liter twin-turbo handcrafted V8 engine, direct fuel injections, rear-wheel drive, 7-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifter, pushing out 536 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. That is very fast considering it is quite a heavy vehicle. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 city, 22 highway, and 17 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here's a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with beautiful burr-welded wood trims. 3-position memory setting, lock and unlock buttons. There you have the 3-stage heated and ventilated seat options. All 4 windows are fully automatic, and there's the side view mirror control. It also features folded options. Bang & Olufsen speaker. There you have the storage compartment and more storage under the driver's side door armrest. AMG aluminum door seal, and there's the sport pedal, AMG floor mat, and here's a closer look at the seat. It is ventilated and the AMG badging on it as well, with beautiful contrast stitching on it. Now both front seats feature 14-way power adjustable seat, including power lumbar support with 3 preset memory for driver seats, steering wheel, and outside mirrors. The driver seats also feature driver dynamic multi-contour seat with 4-level massaging options. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with perforated side grips. Looks and feel really nice, featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, Bluetooth wireless telephone, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter for a more aggressive ride. And there you have the gear lever. Just push up to get into reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will automatically appear on the multimedia screen, and both side view mirror will tilt down for a much easier backup. And down to get into drive, slightly up for neutral, and press the P for park. So anytime in drive mode, you can use the paddle shifter located behind the steering wheel. You can press the up and down paddle shifter anytime to get into manual mode for a more aggressive ride. Very easy to use. Over to the left, you have the light control and the driver's side air vent. Beautiful wood trims. There's the parking brake, just pulled out to activate. Alright, and here's a closer look at the dash. The dash is all wrapped in leather with beautiful contrast stitching, as well as beautiful wood trims. Now this model also comes with the upgraded option, the Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, that offers a sound experience that will blow you and your passenger away with the sound quality. Here's a closer look at the large multimedia screen. There you have the suspension setting, park assist, as well as the instrument light control, dual side air vent, separated by the beautiful analog clock in the middle. dual climate controlled. Okay, here you have your 6 CD changer and the SD card slot. "12-volt power outlet and the ashtray. Dual cup holder for driver and passenger. Alright, here you have the emergency hazard light, navigation buttons, telephone buttons, and the controller for the multimedia control. Okay, you can turn the knob around to move around screen, or you can move it up, down, right or left, or press down to select, like such. Here you have your different driving mode: comfort, sport, and manual. There you have the headrest and the rear sunshade control. To the right you have the on and off buttons and the volume control. Alright, just flip this little pad up and you have your telephone control. Center storage compartment. Glove box compartment with the media interface cable. And a closer look at the seat. Very nice upholstery material. Okay, on top you have the light control and the SOS buttons to use in case of an emergency. And there you have the sunglasses holder. One touch open, close, and tilt panoramic sunroof with the automatic sunshade. The panoramic sunroof can be tilted up for ventilation or slide out for an open air filling. It consists of 2 glass panels and covers roughly the entire roof. And there's the rear portion of the panoramic sunroof. The sunshade can also be controlled from the front. Very nice feature. 3 buttons, universal garage door opener. Sun visor mirror with the card holder. Alcantara headliner. Now all 4 doors feature self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it'll close for you. Another really nice feature. Alright, now let's check out the rear seat. Rear seat is really spacious. It has seating for 3 passengers. As you can see, plenty of leg room. And here's the rear door panel with the rear sunshade. And there you have the ambient lighting as well that goes all around the car. The rear sunshade can be controlled on the rear door panel. And windows are fully automatic as well. Ashtray. The rear sunshade on the roof can also be controlled by the button on the door, as well as the rear sunshade. Now let's jump into the driver's seat and see how it feels. Very spacious, as you can see. And here's the look to the front cabin. Very luxurious. Okay, down here you have two air vents for the rear passenger, 115 volt power outlet, and here's the look to the top. Here is a look at the Bang & Olufsen surround sound speaker, and a look at the rear passenger air vent. Now right now I'm really comfortable in the back, and rear seat is well padded as well, and it is also ventilated. Here you have the center armrest with the compartment center and dual cup holder. And here's the look to the back. Also have a mirror on top, one on each side, and a hook, light controlled. Alright, now let's pop up the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. The trunk of the 2011 S63 AMG offers a very generous amount of cargo space, 16 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seat, which is very decent for its class. There's your spare tires, one touch close. Okay, gas cap is located on the passenger side, and it does require premium unleaded fuel only. And the tanks hold approximately 23.8 gallons of fuel. Pretty big tank. Overall, the 2011 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG offers plenty of luxurious features. Rear space is very spacious. There will be plenty of rooms for any size adult to be really comfortable in the back, even on a long road trip. Front cabins are very spacious as well, with great upholstery material, not to mention the multi-contour front seats with massaging functions, plus the Bang & Olufsen sound system that will please you and your passenger. And lastly, the S63 finished off with nicely bird-warned wood trims all around the interior. Everyone will be really comfortable riding in the S63 AMG. Here's the look at the front Bang & Olufsen speaker. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2011 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for more future video review. And